Hello students, welcome again. We are discussing chapter 4, the Central Islamic Land. This is module 6. In fifth, we discuss about the urbanization. Okay. Now we will continue this. In urbanization, what was that? The planned way of cities. What was that? In the center, mosque was made because it is a, you may say, attachment of the people, attachment of rich, common, and even to the lowest community. Okay, what was that? And near to that, the houses of aristocrats or bureaucracy and army chiefs houses were there. So it means center point was mosque, and near to that areas these aristocrat members, elite group members, they were, you may say, living in those areas. Okay. Second point, what was that? In the outer side were the houses of traders, farmers, and other communities. And beside those, some of the shops were there where the selling and purchasing of goods was also there. Because cities are there, in cities every facility should be available. The mosque, that was the central point. Beside those mosques, these some of the houses of these elite group, the common people, that were also made. Shops were there, different products were sold and purchased. That was the important thing. And at the outer side, or you may say at the outskirts, or you may say totally onto the boundary, outskirts, the houses of commoners, the houses of common people were there. It means that include the labor, that may be in the form of some of the labor, some of the slaves were there. They were totally outside the city, on the boundary. If any problem will come, then they will be responsible. It was in a planned way. In the center, the elite group, the rich member. Into the some part of outer side, beside them, some of the, you may say, traders, merchants, farmers, rich people were there. And at the outskirts, or you may say totally outside of the city, or on the boundary, or in the neighborhood, the common people houses were there. If any problem will be there, then they will be responsible. And they were having the shops of butcher or even meat. These shops were there at the out, and it means fortification was also done. Fortification was also done, and outside the city some inns, जो धर्मशालाएं होती हैं, that were made so that the traders, when they want to enter into the city, when the city is closed, they can have the rest, or they can have their product, and after opening the market they can go. Okay, this thing was there. Okay, now another thing that we will be discussing, urbanization we have discussed. Now commerce means business. It was a good, you may say, most important part into this type of Muslim community. The fiscal system was there. This fiscal system, what was in that? The total revenue and expenditure. It means the calculation of total income and expenditure, that was there. As we are there, जैसे हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं हमारी सैलरी कितनी है और हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर खर्चा कितना हुआ. So that was most important part, most important achievement of this Muslim community. Okay. Next, these were the traders. We are aware that these were the traders, from the beginning, from the earlier time, they were the traders. From the beginning, what was that? From India, China, they took spices, silk and cotton that were very helpful for those, because from those products they were earning a lot, and they were controlling the, you may say, sea routes. So the Silk Route and sea route was maximum controlled by these Arab community or Muslim community, and they were holding. And what was that? Due to this, a lot of earning was there. Okay. Now next thing, what was that? Even the check system, you can see the check system. The check system was there, and billing of products. See that best two things are there. The check system was there. If any trader is there and he wants to do the trading, then in exchange of money he can pay in the form of check, and due to this he can save himself from that of theft. And next was billing. The products that were sold and purchased, all the details and all the billing that was done. So it means one of the important thing of this Muslim community, fiscal system was there, total calculation of revenue, income and expenditure, check system was there, and billing system was there, and they were controlling the sea route and the land route. Maximum were controlled by them. Okay. Now next topic is their holy book. You know that Islam or every of the community have their holy book. As in our Hindu mythology, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Vedas are there, Bhagavad Gita are there. In the same manner, the most that Islam community had Quran. You know that this is Quran. This is the holy book of Muslim community. Okay. Now what was that? It means what in this? The preachings of Prophet Muhammad. Because Prophet Muhammad is known as the founder of this religion, that is from 612 to 632. This was the time period of his peak. It means he got the message of God, and up to his death, whatever he preached the people, whatever he you may say told the people, all things are written. Okay. What is in that? It is a form of, it is into 14 chapters. 114 chapters are there. Arabic language is there. Arabic language is used. Okay. Because Muslim community have this Arabic language. And what is that? The largest stanza, your part is at the stanza or part is at the first. Is at the first. It means it is in the form of decreasing order. First the lengthiest one, then followed by the smallest one. This thing is there. Okay. And another thing is there, the fourth thing, as Prophet Muhammad said, that we should have 5-time prayer, we should not tell a lie, we should not kill others, and we should not do theft. All these good teachings in every of the religion, every of the community, these common teachings are found. In the same manner that were also included. Okay. And he even said that we should have a hajj, and we should have the fast, so that we can, you may say, clean up our soul. All these things that are written into this Quran, the holy book of Islam community. Okay. And Prophet Muhammad, all these teachings up to 650, because after his death some completion of work was there, that was included. Okay. So most important thing is there about his preachings that he gave to the people.